Yeah, whoops, there we go, try again. Here we are. Figure I'll show you a little bit of this, how it gets welded up. So I get the piece cut out to fit into the spot there, and then run along the top of it run along the edge of it with the grinder or the cutting tool to cut the same line on the body piece of the car. And then you just sort of push it up into place and start welding with little pulse welds all the way along. And then down in the bottom there I put some 1/4-inch holes in there and just did spot welds where it comes onto the body. Then I have to clean up around this thing here, which is where you put the jack stand when you want to lift the car up. Anyhow, but it's coming along. That's the last piece for this side. I got the running board all fixed up again, and the back of it here is going to be okay. And then I was working around at the front. Look, it's way up high there. There's the ground. There's the car. So I was working around on this stuff here, which was find little holes and rock bits, and then you cut it back a ways. And then there was this bit here this stuff here was weak, so I just cut it out here and put a new piece in. And the same thing down here. I cut it out and put a new piece in. And then just put a little patch on that hole. This bit here, I think last time I was talking about this, it's where the fender hangs on it. And it's pretty well okay now. And then this part here was very, very weak, so I just, fixed up the part that was weak and left the bracket seems to be all right for the inside bits. But out towards the edge it was getting to be weak. That has to be fixed up. This thing here has to be fixed up. But oh well. I'll just keep on going. Keep pecking away at it. It's actually going along pretty good. I might be done before, 100 years or so. This side here hasn't really been touched yet much. Somehow this side isn't as bad as the other side. Passenger side's worse than the driver's side. Well, I really can't say until we get right into it anyhow. But anyhow, that's for now. Yeah, here we are. Again, getting to be where I have to do a little bit of grinding on it now. So I'll grind it off and then show you what the results are. It'll start looking reasonably good. It'll look a little bit like this stuff over here, which still needs a bit of grinding and work on it, but I'm getting to be pretty happy with it. Yeah, so there's the grinders. That one on the left-hand side there, that's the one I use for, it's got a grinding wheel on it. Rub it thicker for grinding. And then this one here has got a cutting wheel on it. It's just a little skinny wheel for cutting metal. So you use them all. There's a persuader. Yeah, that's after grinding on it for a while. And it actually looks pretty good now. You can run your hand along it. A little couple of bumps in there, but not bad at all. Down in here, I gotta grind it out a bit more. And I'll look for a few little pinholes, like there'll be a hole right there. And there'll be a hole right there. And one right there. Little spot right there. Just put in some extra weld right in there. Then grind it again, and it'll look pretty good. Anyhow, that's all for today, maybe.